In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open Visual Studio Code by one click. So for that, you have to do, while installing the Visual Studio Code, you have to check these two options checked. Otherwise, it will not happen. You have to check these two options. Then, while installing, check these two options. Okay, then I installed it in this way. Now I'm going to a file path. Now I'm going to create a folder. For example, the folder name is ABCD. Then open the folder and then click on the path and then writing CMD. Okay, if I write code space dot, it will open on Visual Studio Code by one click. As you can see, it has opened in Visual Studio Code. Now I can work on it. So the another hack is, if you check this one, you will see the option of the right click. If you click on the right click of the any folder, you will see an option open with Visual Studio Code. So I hope it will help